Hello mga kamads, it's me Red and welcome back to my channel. This week has been very bad because my phone got broken. It just shut down when I was editing my videos. The most frustrating part of this is that most of my unedited videos is on that phone and I can't get it back. So I'm back to square one. My videos, info, background music, all gone. The only one left was this meal list I wrote. So we will just calculate the total calories we have for those days and let's continue our Balik ALINDOG journey. But before we all get started, mga kamads, please do like my videos and subscribe on my channel to support me with my journey. By doing this, you help my videos reach more viewers, which is very helpful for my journey. And also click that notification bell for you to be updated for my next videos. Now that's all said, let's go back to business. My last video was for day 5. So for day 6, I had 100 push-ups with a meal of 1 muyong, 1 chicken breast, 1 hard-boiled, 2 cups rice, 2 pieces shakoy, 1 bread bun, 1 malunggay soup, and 1 kopiko, which is around 2,162 calories, which has 74 grams protein, 13%, 286 grams carbs, 52%, and 73 grams fats, 13%. For day 7, I had 100 upright rows with a meal of 2 muyong, 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1 chicken breast, 2 cups of rice, 3 bread buns, and 1 kopiko, with a total of 1,530 calories, which has 73 grams protein, 19%, 207 grams carbs, 54%, and 43 grams fats, that's 11%. For day 8, I had 100 front races, and my meal consists of 1 hard-boiled egg, beef loaf with egg, 2 cups of rice, half chicken of chooks to go, 1 kopiko, 2 pieces shakoy, and 1 bread bun, with a total of 2,306 calories, which has 58 grams protein, 10%, 281 grams carbs, 48%, 63 grams fats, 10%. For day 9, I was not able to exercise, but my meal for this day is 1 hard-boiled egg, 2 whole fish, 2 pieces pancake, 2 cups of rice, and 1 kopiko, with a total of 1,600 calories, which has 126 grams of protein, 31.5%, 194 grams carbs, 48%, and 30 grams of fats, 7%. Now for day 10, I had 100 squats, and my meal has 2 moyong, 1 fish, 2 pieces chicken thigh, 1 hard-boiled egg, 2 cups of rice, 2 bread bun, 3 pieces kopiko, with a total of 1,790 calories, which has 111 grams of protein, 24%, 216 grams of carbs, 48%, and 52 grams of fats, 11%. For day 11, no exercise again, and my meal was 2 pieces muyong, 2 cups of rice, 2 pieces siomai, 1 chicken breast, 1 hard-boiled egg, 1 bread bun, 1 kopiko, and 2 fish tinola with malunggay, having a total of 1,876 calories, which has 160 grams protein, 34%, 192 grams carbs, 40%, 42 grams of fats, 8%. For day 12, I had 100 bicep curls with a meal of 2 chicken thigh, 1 chicken breast, 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1 kopiko, and 4 cups of rice, with a total of 1,800 calories, which has 100 grams of protein, 22%, 215 grams of carbs, 47%, and 56 grams of fats, 12%. Day 13, no exercise again. For my meal, 2 pieces kopiko, 3 bread bun, 3 hard-boiled eggs, 1 fish, beef loaf with egg, and 1.5 cup rice, with a total of 1,555 calories, 93 grams protein, 24%, 195 grams carbs, 50%, and 44 grams of fats, 11%. Day 14, I was not able to exercise again, and my meal for today was 2 fish with malunggay, 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1.5 cup rice, 1 kopiko, 1 bread bun, leftover tortang talong with a total of 1,373 calories, 121 grams for protein, 35%, 140 grams carbs, 40%, and 30 grams of fats, 8%. Day 15. I still had no exercise. I have been really busy these past few days because of some family drama, and I also need to go back to Cebu. For this day, my meal had 3 cups of rice, 2 fish, 2 bread bun, 2 kopiko, and 2 pieces moyong with a total of 1,678 calories, 121.5 grams protein, 28%, 239 grams carbs, 56%, and 23 grams of fats, 5%. For day 16, still no exercise. This is the day I went back to Cebu, and my meal has 2 hard-boiled eggs, 3 pieces chicken breast, 2 cups of rice, 2 pieces moyong, 1 Sting energy drink, and beef loaf with egg, with a total of 2,044 calories, which has 137 grams of protein, 26%, 181 grams carbs, 35%, and 75 grams of fats, 14%. Day 17, I had no exercise again because a birthday is going to happen, so I helped in preparing and cooking. I had a big meal today, probably the largest this month. I had 3 pieces tuna pie, fruit salad around 4 cups, a pizza, maybe 3 large slices, and pancit bisado, around 2 servings, with a total of around 3,406 calories, 125 grams of protein, which is 14%, 405 grams carbs, 47%, and 121 grams of fats, 14%. Finally, at day 18, I was able to exercise again with 100 pull-ups. I was not able to film it because my phone's memory is still full. And my meal was 1 chicken breast, 1 pork chop, 4 pieces moyong, and 2 cups of rice, with a total of 1,354 calories. 74 grams of it is protein, 21%, 146 grams for carbs, 43%, and 43 grams for fats, 12%. Day 19. No exercise again. Haha. Sorry mga kamads, Tapo strikes again. For this day, I made a snack made of soy protein powder. I bought this last year but did not use it because I didn't continue to go to the gym. Also, it tastes horrible, like a wet cartoon box. So I decided to use it today to add more protein on my diet. And this is what I made, and divided it by 5 so I can track my calories by slice. I also can't consume all of this at once because it tastes bad. So for day 20, I am able to exercise again with 100 push-ups. And my meal had 1 pork giniling, 2 cups of rice, 1 drumstick, 2 pieces vegetable moyong, and gravy, with a total of 980 calories, 46 grams for protein, 18%, 139 grams for carbs, 56%, and 24 grams of fats, 9%. So this is the list of all my calories I had during our journey. Our exercise was not consistent though, but we managed to lower our calorie intake for the most part. We also managed to get above 30% protein on our diet for 3 days in this journey, which is not bad at all. So mga kamads, please support me and join me on my journey by liking my videos. If you're new, please click subscribe button because it would really help me with my journey. I also had a giveaway on my day 5 video. Just watch the video for the mechanics. Hope you liked and learned how to count your calories on this video mga kamads. Always remember, stay healthy, stay fit, red out.